Okay, now you are welcome, and literally I'm just going to walk you through everything we need to know as far as setting up Facebook, WhatsApp business, and what have you. So the first thing, if you look at the screen, you will see that WhatsApp business is a tool we are going to make use of. It is not WhatsApp. So there is WhatsApp, there is WhatsApp business. So if you have not installed WhatsApp business, you just need to go to your Google Play store on your phone, and I'm going to do a video on that, how to install your WhatsApp business Google Play Store. So, but that being said, assume you have done your WhatsApp business is active on your phone, and you need to first of all create a page. So I'm going to use a new Facebook page and a thanks to the owner. So I'm not just going to just come here how to create a page from the start. So the first thing you want to do is to on this page. Now this is a new page. So under this option here, that is the menu list or thereabout, and probably you can even see under some see more. You will be able to see more information here. Either ways, either you come to this page or you just click this menu, Facebook menu, and let me move my cursor. You will see pages. You can see this icon. This is the icon we are looking for, but you will see it here. And the reason why you will not see it at the start is if you have not used it before, but subsequently once you have used it, you just need to click on page or just click here. Either ways, you create a page. The first thing it's going to do is to take you through this basic step. So the first thing we want to do is to create a page, and the name of the page will be required. That is compulsory. The category of the page, the description of the page, and you just click create. So we are going to give this name, this page a name, and that will be a name. Alabi. Okay, good. Somebody is also here with me. So now there is a category. Now what is category? Category is just to look at where your page actually falls into. Okay, so you can say your category is what category is Alabi Hub e-commerce. So you can see suggestions, property, restaurant, what have you, e-commerce. Let's say selling financial services, shops, construction, you have agency. These suggestions are populated by Facebook, so based on the categories they have created. E-commerce, I did not see e-commerce. E-cigarette shop, property. What niche is the e-commerce about?
Selling wheels.
Wears. Wears. Clothing and apparel. Apparel and clothing.
Yeah.
So you can select a category. You can select more than one category. Okay, but basically we only need one to validate this. So this is an e-commerce store. Under the description, you need to then write e-commerce store, and probably you put the link, and you can always update all this. And once you are through with that, you need to click create page, and that is just the basic thing you need to do. So once you click on create page, your page is created, and you can start doing other things like uploading your images, your profile image, your profile picture, your cover photo. Let me just explain this. Add profile picture. That profile picture is the one that will be here. Okay. Add cover photo. Cover photo is the one that will be at the top here, at the bottom at this preview. And you can do that later. You can just keep it for now. Like I just selected saved, so you can do that. So once that is done, you have created a page. Immediately you've created a page, it will automatically give you this pop-up: connect your Facebook page to WhatsApp. And that was the initial goal. We want to connect the page to WhatsApp. So what do we need to do? I'm going to show you how to do that. Do we have a WhatsApp number here that we can connect to WhatsApp?
Normal WhatsApp.
Yes, normal WhatsApp. Normal business WhatsApp. Okay. Let's assume, give me this WhatsApp number.
0079
0808079 77 6076. Now once you enter your WhatsApp business number, you need to click this send code, and it's going to send the code to the WhatsApp number that we just did now, and we are going to validate the code here. But I'm not going to just do that now, so I'm going to cancel that, because we can definitely do that later. And if you want to do that later, probably you just want to start, you want to come to your settings, and that is the second option, and you come to your WhatsApp. You can see WhatsApp here under the page setting. You can see WhatsApp, and you will be able to do the same thing that we initially did the first time. So
43156.
I've even skipped it. It's going to send that one later. So let me do it again. What's the number?
00
080
79
79
77
77
60
60
76.
76. Okay, it's going to send the number again. Another one.
43156.
WhatsApp account already connected to a page. Yes, I know. So this is where you connect the WhatsApp number to the page, and that is how you get it done. And there are questions coming up that what about if you do not get it initially? How do you just need to probably retry with another number, and it will go, provided the number is WhatsApp business. And even if it is WhatsApp, it's going to go, but you will not be able to create your campaign with WhatsApp. You can only create your campaign with WhatsApp business. And that takes us to the next thing. So we have done the first stage, which is how to set up WhatsApp business with a full page. So the first thing is to create your Facebook page, and then go to your Google Play Store, install WhatsApp business, install WhatsApp business, then go to your Facebook page, under your settings, click on WhatsApp, and then connect your WhatsApp business to that page. Okay, and a prompt will be sent to your WhatsApp number. You need to enter those 6-digit code into your Facebook, and it will validate. This is just to warn you, don't always send any messages to anybody. Like somebody can chat you up by send a message to you, and please kindly forward that message. Don't do that. If you do that, your WhatsApp will be hacked, then that's just it, or your Facebook page hacked. So please don't do that. So that is why this video is for you, to explain everything you need to know at the literal level, so that you can do this by yourself. So once you are through with that, the next one is to then go back to your Facebook ads. That is the next thing. Now that is this stage here. We are through with this first stage, how to set up WhatsApp business with Facebook page. We are through with that. So the second one is how to create a campaign to WhatsApp business from Facebook ads. So now we want to go to your Facebook ads, and that can actually be done by just coming to your normal Facebook. Just go back to your Facebook, and you are going to make it either two ways. Okay, the first is probably you come to your CMO, under CMO, and you see ads manager, and you can click on ads manager. Or the second option is to go to a new tab on your Facebook, on your browser, the same browser, a new tab, and type business.facebook.com. Two ways to it. The first one is to go to your normal Facebook account, click on ads manager, and it's going to take you to your personal ad account. And the second option is to open your normal Facebook account on your browser on a tab, and just create another tab. That is what I just did. I just click on this new tab button, and I created another tab, and I entered business.facebook.com, and that is just what I need to do here. Either ways, it's going to take you to the same end. The ads manager will take you to facebook.com/ad manager/ that is where this one will take you to, and the business manager, business.facebook.com, will take you to the same place, but via different ends. The same place, different ends. Okay, the Alabi hub that we just created is here, and that is the page that we have. Okay,